Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you an easy, safe method using an official Microsoft tool to free up that cached memory and give your system an instant performance boost. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab at the top. In the Performance tab, click on Memory in the left sidebar. This shows you detailed information about your RAM usage. Look at the right side of the window. You'll see a composition breakdown showing in use, available, cached, etc. Focus on the cached value. That's a significant amount of RAM being held in cache. Your number might be different, maybe 1 GB, maybe 4 GB, or even more. Keep Task Manager open so we can watch the cached memory go down after we use the tool. Open your web browser and search for RAM map. Now go to the first search result. On this page, you'll see information about what RAM map does. Click on the blue Download RAM map button. The file will download. It's very small, only about 400 to 800 kilobytes, so it should download almost instantly even on slower connections. Open the X file based on your operating system architecture. Click on this Agree button. Then it will open a window like this. In the RAM map window, look at the top menu bar. Click on Empty in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Click on Empty Standby List. Now watch what happens. Look at your Task Manager window. You should see the cached value drop dramatically. In my case, it went from 10 GB down to just 500 to 600 megabytes. That's over 9 GB of RAM freed up and now available for our system to use. Your computer should feel noticeably snappier now, especially if you had several gigabytes of cached memory before. Use RAM map to clear cache when your system feels slow, even though you're not running many programs. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.